In this 2-minute Zoom tutorial, you'll learn how to schedule a Zoom meeting, and after covering all the basics, I'll show you a super easy shortcut for scheduling a meeting with one click from within your Google or Outlook calendar. To schedule a meeting from the Zoom website, go to the Meetings tab. Click the Schedule a New Meetings button. Here you can customize the topic as well as the date, time, and duration of the meeting. You can also change the frequency of the meeting if it's recurring. You can require a meeting password, which is good for security purposes. You can also allow participants to join before the host. You can also mute participants before entry, which is a great way if you have a large group and don't want late-coming participants disrupting the meeting. You can also adjust the waiting room feature, another security layer that is set to on by default. It requires all guests to be admitted by the host or co-host upon entry. Once you've scheduled the meeting, you can add it to your Google, Outlook, or Yahoo calendar. Now I'll cover how you can set it up for a one-click action to schedule or launch from within your Google or Outlook calendar. You need to download the Chrome or Firefox extension by going to zoom.us/download. For this video, I will demo the Chrome extension for Google Calendar. Launch the Chrome browser and go into the Google Calendar. Click on a specific meeting to access the edit mode. On the left side, you'll find the Make it a Zoom meeting button. By clicking it, you are enabling the one-click feature, and now you are able to start the meeting from within the Google Calendar. If you find this video useful, be sure to like it and please subscribe to this channel and click the bell so you get notified when new videos are released.